What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. So we got an Amazon stock split. They did a 20-for-1 stock split, which basically means the price reduced by 20 divided by 20. So we have a lot cheaper stock price, but overall, the price of Amazon has not changed because every share of Amazon you owned now is 20 shares. So it's the same value. Same market cap. There's just more shares out there in order to allow for a cheaper stock price. And this really allows a lot of newer investors the flexibility of buying whole shares of Amazon. Because if you had a smaller portfolio, you would have to previously buy fractional shares. Or if you didn't have a brokerage that allowed fractional shares, you would have to just not buy the stock at all. So now it's a cheaper price, which also means options are going to be cheaper as well. And this allows strategies such as call options, put options, even selling cash care puts a lot more feasible. We'll make a separate video on cash care puts. But for this video, we're going to be going over how to make 2 times your money off Amazon call options. And we're going to be doing this using call options going all the way up to January 20th, 2023. Now, this is going to be half a year out for a call option. And it's only going to cost you like $1,000, $2,000. That's why call options on Amazon are pretty powerful right now, because options are a lot cheaper than it was previously when Amazon was around $2,000 per share. So this is a lot more affordable for people. And what we could do is we could do an at the money call option. It's going to be a half a year time frame. And basically how we make 2 times our money on this call option is we're going to be buying this one right here, the 120 strike price for $1,600. Not that much money compared to it was before, where it would cost tens of thousands of dollars. So it's a very affordable. It's going to be a pretty high risky play, but if you can definitely make a lot of money off call options. And we really want to play a few months out for call options, just to give ourselves as much time as possible for Amazon to play out. Right now, stocks are down quite a bit from the recession, but eventually they're going to recover. And if you buy at the right time and you dollar cost average, you can make a ton of money in the long run. You just don't panic sell. And right now is a great time to slowly average in. And if you do have a few $1,000s, you could buy one of these every now and then. So let's go forward to the options profit calculator here. As you can see, we have our Amazon ticker symbol. We have our call option selected, the $120 strike price for January 20th, 2023. And here we are seeing the options profit estimate. So basically, in order to make double our money, which is 100% return, we're going to need Amazon to go to roughly around $150. And that's going to give us 100% return, as we can see based off of this chart. So that's going to be a pretty nice chunk of cash, considering only a $30 strike move, a $30 price movement, because Amazon's at 121 right now. And if we give ourselves a lot of time for Amazon to play out and go back to where it was previously, to this like 150, 160 area, we're going to be doubling our money in half a year. Of course, we have tons of time on our hands, 6 months. So, and if it doesn't hit our price target, that's fine. We're not losing that much money. And if it just moves up slightly, as we can see here, if it goes to like $140 strikes, we can make quite a bit of money off of our call option. So that's why call options are pretty fantastic. It's a low cost to enter, or leveraging your money. And if a small price and movement on Amazon occurs, we're going to be making a lot of money, just because it's call options are basically leveraging 100 shares. So that's our strategy for Amazon. Do your own due diligence, of course, but this is how you can potentially make 2 times your money off Amazon call options. And this is considered like half a leap. A full leap is considered a 1-year expiration date. This call option that we selected is only half a year, but that should give us enough time for Amazon to recover.